What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I found these two random 2022 C8 Mid Engine Corvettes at the assembly plant. What an amazing finding. Let's go. Howdy folks, you on the C8 Gonna Speed 252 show. Scroll over to the right, click that subscribe button and join this awesome community.
Well, howdy folks, we at the Corvette plant. Let's see if we can find us some C8 Corvettes. Look at that, look how beautiful that is. That rapid blue. Proudly assembled in Bowling Green, USA. Look at all those Corvettes over there. I think we're going to have to stop over there in a few seconds. What do you guys think? 10 and 11. That's what Zach and Mr. Kai told me is what they call a sea of Corvettes, you guys. So we pretty much have a bunch of Corvettes back there that's already been built. They call it the sea of the white Corvettes because there's so many Corvettes out here. Pretty much most of these are already been sold or pre-sold and all that stuff. And they're pretty much been they're shipping out and going somewhere else. So like that's what they said. They call it a sea of Corvettes. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the blog. Welcome back to another episode of C8 Gonna Speed 252. And I want to thank each and every one of you for pushing that play button. If you have not had a chance yet, hit that subscribe button right now. So on your screen, go on your telephone, your computer, your TV screen, hit that subscribe button, become part of this community, and definitely give this video a thumbs up. I took the time to come out here to the National Corvette Museum and also the plant, which is across the street. I got a chance to stay with my friend Jeremy Wellborn. Thank you. I appreciate you for letting me stay with you in your hotel room. I'm out here in Kentucky. I drove over here to see if I can find some of the cars that was getting built. I know a lot of you guys have been stressing out whether your cars will be built or not built because of the chip issue. Well, I didn't really get any good shots and good photos. I just got one single photo that I can place here in this video. For all you guys that are in the 3000, it seemed like your car was probably already built. I'm not sure, but I did come across two C8 Mid Engine Corvettes that's in front of the Bowling Green assembly plant. So I want to go over here, take a look at these cars, see how they spec'd out, see what's different. Because when I came here about 2 years ago, they had different cars up here. So now they got a different other set of cars up here. And I'm kind of curious to see how these cars are spec'd out and what they're like. So once again, if you haven't, give this video a thumbs up. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave your comments down below. After we get done with this video, we're going to head over to the National Corvette Museum and see what else we can actually get into before I head back to North Carolina. I just got here last night around 11:30, and I also got pulled over for the first time last night in my C8 Corvette. I will also put that clip in this video right now as well. But once again, leave your comments down below. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. And also for the cop that pulled me over last night, he was great. He was awesome. I really appreciate it. He only gave me a warning. And you guys, you know, there are some good people in the world. Let's go ahead and hop into these two C8 Corvettes that are in front of us, and let's see exactly how these bad boys have been spec'd out. Let's go. So we got the rapid blue right here. We're gonna walk around this direction. I'm gonna take a step up. First thing I notice is this is a Z51 convertible. So take a look. You got Z51 right down the caliber, which tells you immediately right away that this car is a Z51 package. I also know from my Corvette history and knowledge that this is also a Rapid Blue, but it is a convertible. It does has the standard wheels that come with the C8 Corvette when you buy it from the factory without any wheel options. These are the wheels that automatically come on your C8 Corvette if you ordered it straight from the factory with no wheel options. As you guys already know, the tire size are 245, 35, 19s in the front, 305, 30, 20s in the back for anybody that's new to the channel. Once again, this is the hard top convertible Rapid Blue Z51 package. As you see, they have the Z51 wing on the back. This is the same wing that came on my vehicle when I bought it 2 years ago. Also, let's take a look at the inside. You can see that it is pretty much decked out to the fullest. I am going to say this is a 2LT, 3LT package for sure. As you can see, the blue inserts, the blue seats, and let's walk around here and see if we can see anything else. This will give me a better idea if this is actually a 3LT, 2LT package. It definitely has a sway going up. It does have the front lift, so this is a minimum of a 2LT package right here. I love this color combination because you got the Rapid Blue with the tension blue seats for sure. I really appreciate it with the carbon fiber inserts right here, as you can see in the middle of the seats. Now, I doubt this car is unlocked, so I'm not even going to try to take a chance to open it up because I don't want the alarm to go off and be that guy. But this is a hard top convertible. Once again, you know, you guys, you can't see the motor in the back, which, you know, kind of sucks because I'm a big fan of actually wanting to see the motor at some point. But when you buy the convertible, you cannot see the engine in the back, but you do not lose storage space, which is a big deal for a lot of Corvette owners because back in the day when guys bought convertibles, they lost a lot of storage space. So I can appreciate how GM decided to build the 2020 C8 Corvette having the same amount of storage space. And this is a coupe as well. No, I'm sorry, this is convertible. I hope it was a coupe so I can kind of compare the two, but this actually is a convertible as well. As you can see, it has Team Corvette right here on the windshield. I don't know if mine's had that there. I actually never looked at that, but this is also a pretty sweet looking Rapid Blue. But let's walk over here to this convertible. This one has Trident spoke wheels. Let's see if it's a Z51 package. I'd like to look for that first. This is a non-Z51 package because it doesn't show anything on the caliber that says it is a Z51 package, whereas that one with the black caliber shows that it has a Z51 package. This has Spotlight Port all-season tires, so this could be a car that one of the GM employees were driving and they decided to put all-season tires on this bad boy just for the safety of all the weather that's here. As you can see, Pilot Sport all-season tires is one of those things where, like, if you guys live in this area, might be best to invest in some all-season tires. I know those are the same factory tires that came with the car because in North Carolina, I can actually drive my car all year round without any issues. Man, that wing is looking incredible from over here, guys. Take a look at that high wing. That high wing is sick. I'm so glad that I got that. Once again, when I bought my car, it came with a Z51 wing, and I literally thought that I made a bad decision by choosing that high wing. But now the more I look at it, and the more and more I look at it, that Z51 wing is nice, but that high wing is nice. Nice, nice. Anyway, back into this vehicle right here. So we convertible C8 Corvette. Notice, do not enter display area to protect you in the display area. Well, I feel protected. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. But let's see, you got the red interior here. You got the GT1 seats. This is a 1LT package. You know why it's easy to tell? Because you take a look in the middle, right near the screen, look down below, you don't see the front lift. In order to get the front lift, you have to have a minimum of a 2LT package. So this is a 1LT package, GT1 seat, convertible. So once again, like, if you guys are looking for a budgeted Corvette, right, where you want the convertible, but you don't want all the extra stuff, then I advise you to go with the 1LT. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I ended up going with the 2LT because I wanted the front end lift, but in reality, the C8 Corvette is a lot higher than the C7 Corvette. I have scraped my C7 Corvette numerous times numerous times with the front splitter because of areas where it was unknown whether or not it would be high enough. Regarding the C8 Corvette, you don't have that issue, especially if you have the front lift, but this car also sits higher than a normal C7 Corvette. You got the Trident spoke wheels, but I wonder why GM decided not to put the center cap in the middle, because the center cap is not here either, and it's not over there either. I don't understand that. If you got any questions, you know, answers, please leave them down below. But can you answer why you think GM don't put the center caps in these cars right now? I mean, maybe because somebody would steal them or something. They don't have the center caps over there either, and yeah, I don't know. I don't understand. But hey, that's not neither here nor there. Obviously, this car does not have a spoiler on at all, no wing at all. Once again, this is a 1LT package. Needs to be cleaned a little bit, but I'm sure that's probably because of the rain or whatever that comes through. As a lot of people know, this window does come down if you got the convertible. If you're looking to buy a convertible, you can drive your car with this window down, which is also pretty cool. I also think the wind, when you're driving a convertible, is a lot better because the wind got somewhere to go. Whereas when you're driving the coupe, the wind kind of don't have that much space to go, because in a coupe, you don't have this window that goes down. So there's definitely some pros and cons to driving both the coupe and a convertible, which is the coupe will save you $7,500. The convertible won't save you $7,500, but I will say the convertible looks a little bit more exotic in my personal opinion because of the fact that you are able to push the button, make everything maneuver the way you want it to, go down, and then you have a all exciting around C8 convertible that looks exotic. So you guys, I want to thank you for watching this upload. Thank you for pushing that play button. Thank you for joining this channel. I greatly appreciate it. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. I'm so excited to be back making videos again and having you a part of the community. Once again, if you have not given this video a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up right now. Leave your comments down below. Definitely hit that subscribe button. If you're interested in buying some merch, go to my website, which is www.cgonerspeed252.com. I greatly appreciate all the support. I will write you a hand personal note to you. I'm hoping to get some new merch here soon with some C8 Corvette stuff on it as well. I got to plan all that stuff out. But once again, guys, I'm about to head over to the National Corvette Museum and see what we can get into over there before I head back to North Carolina today. Look, I just got here last night at 11:30 p.m. and I'm gonna head out of here at some point and probably get back home tonight at 11:30 p.m. as well. But you know, I do this because I really love YouTube and I love you guys, and I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. So let's head over to the National Corvette Museum and let's see what we can do over there.